Hey guys, Todd here from Great Escape Farms. I'm giving you a winter homesteading update here. Going to show you some of the things I'm doing around here in the middle of the winter. So usually there's not a whole lot going on, but we have a rare, I would say, not that we don't get them, but we don't get them very often. We have a day in the 60s in February in zone 7 here. So usually our average temperature is down in the 40s, and actually in February we're down into the 30s. So some of the things I'm going to do out here in warm weather, actually let me show you. Of course Murphy's got to be in the video. I didn't get too many leaves covering the hardy bananas here, so these are going to die back a little bit, but I didn't get any covering the bananas in the back there. You can see that, so they will die right back to the ground, but they will sprout up again next year. So one of the main things I'm going to hit today is the pool here. I'm going to get the water off, and I'm also going to replace some of these blue things right here. These are weights that hold the tarp on, and I've had a couple of them over here where the cover was starting to fall in, as well as in the back there. I had some critters going, tear some up, so I'm going to pull some new ones out, fill them up with water so that it weights it back for this, especially since we have a lot of wind coming later today. Let's see, let me show you one of the other things, and actually I don't know if you can see it in the video here, but back there is the black clouds. That's what's going to bring the wind to us. I haven't got too long to play here. I want to show you this elderberry right here though. So this is the middle of February, and hopefully you can see that. I'll hold it up against the white, against the white, but it's actually budding out already. And right now we're in the 60s, but before today we've been in the 40s. So these things are just hardy as anything, already budding out. One of the other things I'm doing today is working with the plant propagation bed here. So I already started, and that's when I got the idea to do the video here. So I'm pulling these out, and I had one ready, but it's in a different area. So let me pull one out and see how it is. Okay, so that one is a no-go. There's no roots on that, so I just toss it. This one has one root. I would not ship that. I'd grow it out and sell it next year. That one has none. Boy, I was doing real good earlier. Okay, here's one. So this one has a pretty good root system on it. So this one I'll put in an individual pot and go ahead and grow it out. That way if I don't sell it online, then I can sell it at a farmer's market or something like that. And I'll put it in a pot and let it grow out this year. And part of the reason I'm doing that is I'm thinking about shutting the online portion of the business down, just because the actual shipping is so darn expensive. It's just killing me. So even with expensive shipping that I charge customers, a lot of the time it's still not enough. So contemplating that, this may be the last year I'm actually shipping, and I'm opening up real late today, or this year as it is. One of the other things I want to do, if I get time again, is right back here against that fence, is to trim those grapevines along the fence there. So you want to do that in the middle of the winter, and I have a video out on how to do that. So you can, I did that I think I did that 2 years ago. So you can check out how to do grapevines. And then this cluster right here, this is all a bunch of, well, it's maypop is a lot of it, dead maypop vines. So I'll pull those down and recycle those. But this is a blackberry patch, and the blackberry patch has a lot of old canes in it, and I just need to clean it up and make it look a little better. So when one of these days I do end up selling this place, it doesn't look like the pigsty that it looks like right now. One other thing, and let me see if I can zoom in here. You can see it a little bit. It's right there is a tree sticking up, and it's way overgrown. It's an apple tree, and it just hasn't been trimmed in a while. So I need to trim that, and wintertime is the time to do that. Actually, I'm going to trim all of the fruit trees with the exception of my cherry tree. So that is it as far as what I'm hoping to get done here in the next couple of weeks, whenever I get a warm day, today being one of them. And that's it for now until later on this spring when I can post some other videos. Actually, I'm putting out a series right now that I taped from Hawaii, so check those out. It's tropical edible plants that I found in Hawaii in our herb garden there. So that's it for now. Please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel. Thank you very much for tuning in, and have a great day.